The reef looks peaceful, but something heavy is buried below. I'm Maya Rivers, WildEye explorer, and today we're seeing the Great Barrier Reef through a reef shark's eyes. What starts as tangled nets, then scattered metal, begins to form something larger. A fishing boat lost, now part of the reef. An engine block emerges from the sand, rusted, silent, forgotten. Stay with me. The ocean is hiding stories you won't believe. Subscribe to WildEye Discoveries